Hey everybody, it's Scott Galden here to answer the question, what are the latest trends in design in flooring in DFW in 2026? I just got back from a regional market where all the big manufacturers and distributors just show their wares for 2026. I just had a couple of observations I'd like to share with you. The first big change we're seeing in the industry is the difference in color. We've moved from an area where gray was dominant to now we're moving to an area where warmer, more natural, more neutral tones are popular. So, in a lot of the products, both in carpets and wood looks, you're seeing warmer tones, just a lot more beiges, and we're even seeing some more brownish colors coming back into the marketplace. So, when you go to do your design, you should expect to see a lot fewer choices in gray now and a lot more of these natural tones. Another area that we saw some big changes in is in tile. Probably the most popular look in tile these days is this variegated edge, or it kind of looks like it's a handmade tile. It's not a straight edge, it has a lot of texture to it. And these tiles are becoming really popular in bathrooms and backsplashes and feature walls. And we're seeing a lot more color. You can see in this, there's only one gray option. There's a lot of other colors that you can pick from, and we're seeing that those colors are being used and are very popular in design work today. Another thing that we saw at market was just about everybody was introducing the waterproof laminate. This is a product category that's growing very, very rapidly. We're seeing a lot of things shift from wood look tile to the waterproof laminate. It's great for big dogs. It's very scratch resistant, and you don't have to worry about water. Plus, the looks are just incredible. So, when you go to make a product selection, you want to make sure that you include this as one of your options. Another thing that we're seeing is a shift from what's called SPC vinyl plank to the WPC vinyl plank. This is one example of a WPC vinyl plank. You can see that it's built on a much thicker platform. It's softer underfoot. It's a lot more stable, and it's just all around a better product. We recommend, unless you just have to be at a certain price point, we recommend that you use a WPC vinyl plank instead of the SPC vinyl planks that you've seen. Another thing that we saw was a move toward more American-made products. There's laminates that are being produced in the United States. Some of the engineered woods are available in the United States. Many of the manufacturers are really promoting made in America, and that's helping to get around some of the tariffs that are being charged on imported products. Final thing that we noticed was, especially in carpets are becoming fuller, thicker, a lot heavier weights that are being promoted. We're seeing a move away from flex in carpet and more into more like solid or tonal colors. And we're seeing really good price points in that types of products. In fact, all of the new prices from the different products, we were pretty impressed that it seems like the market is a lot more competitive than it has been over the last several years. So if you've waited to do a home improvement project, now might be a good time because we're seeing pricing become far more competitive in the marketplace. So again, thanks for your attention. If there's a project that you have in the future that you'd like to discuss with us, we'd love to be able to share with you some of these design ideas and help hold your hand through the entire process. Again, Simmons Floor Covering and Total Renovations. We've been in business for over 21 years. We've got 9 Angie's List Super Service Awards, over 500 five-star reviews, and we're members of the Good Contractors list. So give us a call when the time comes.